Warning, your legs weaken first. Do these 5 simple exercises to strengthen them. Senior health. If you're over 65 and you've noticed your legs feeling a little heavier when you stand up, or you're holding onto the railing a bit tighter on the stairs, you're not alone. Many seniors discover that leg strength starts fading years before other parts of the body. The scary part? This weakness can quietly raise your risk of falls, make everyday tasks harder, and steal your independence faster than you expect. But here's the good news. You can turn this around with 5 simple exercises you can do right at home, no equipment needed. Stick with me until the very end, because the 5th exercise is the one that ties everything together and gives your legs the biggest boost for daily life. Exercise number 1 is the seated leg lift. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg straight out in front of you, keeping your knees straight but not locked. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it gently. Do 10 repetitions on each leg. This move targets the front thigh muscles, the quadriceps, which are crucial for standing up from chairs and climbing stairs. Perform it 2 to 3 times a day for noticeable improvement in a few weeks. Next is the heel raise, also called calf raises. Stand behind a chair and hold the back for balance. Slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds at the top, then lower back down with control. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions. This strengthens the calf muscles that help you push off when walking and maintain balance. If standing is difficult at first, you can do a seated version by lifting your heels while sitting. Strong calves reduce ankle weakness and support steadier steps. The 3rd exercise is the seated march. Sit tall in your chair and alternate lifting your knees toward your chest as if you're marching in place. Lift each knee as high as comfortable, then lower it slowly. Do 15 marches on each side. This works your hip flexors and core along with your legs, improving the coordination needed for safe walking. It also gently gets your heart rate up without stressing your joints. Exercise 4 is the side leg lift. Stand next to a chair for support and slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight. Hold for 2 seconds, then return to the starting position. Complete 8 to 10 lifts on each side. This targets the outer hip muscles, which are vital for side-to-side stability and preventing falls when you step sideways or turn. Many seniors notice better balance within a couple of weeks of adding this move. The 5th and most important exercise for overall leg power is the sit to stand. Start sitting in a sturdy chair with your feet flat and slightly apart. Lean forward slightly and push through your heels to stand up fully, then slowly lower back down with control. Do 8 to 10 repetitions. This functional movement mimics getting up from the toilet or a favorite chair and builds strength in your thighs, hips, and buttocks all at once. It directly improves your ability to move safely throughout the day. If it feels too challenging at first, use your hands lightly on the chair arms for assistance and gradually reduce that help. Perform these 5 exercises together as a short routine 3 to 4 times per week. Start with 1 set of each and build up as your strength improves. Always move slowly and with control to avoid any strain. Breathe out as you exert effort and breathe in as you relax. If you feel any sharp pain, stop and consult your doctor before continuing. Consistency brings the best results. Many seniors report feeling steadier on their feet after just 2 to 3 weeks. Your legs carry you through every day, so giving them this focused attention helps preserve mobility and reduces fatigue when walking longer distances. Combine the exercises with daily walking, even if it's just around your home or garden. Short walks help maintain the strength you build and improve circulation in your lower body. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes most days, gradually increasing as you feel stronger. Pay attention to your posture while doing the moves. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core gently engaged. Good form protects your back and makes the exercises more effective for leg strengthening. Nutrition also plays a supporting role in muscle health. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, chicken, beans, and dairy in your meals to give your muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong. Staying hydrated helps prevent muscle cramps that can interrupt your progress. As you get stronger, you can make the exercises a little more challenging. For example, hold the top position longer in heel raises or add a small pause at the bottom of the sit to stand. Small progressions keep your muscles adapting and growing without overwhelming your body. Listen to your body. Some days you may feel more energetic than others. On lighter days, reduce the repetitions or do the seated versions. The goal is steady improvement over time, not pushing through discomfort. Many seniors who follow this kind of simple routine enjoy greater confidence when going out, shopping, or visiting family. Stronger legs mean less worry about falls and more freedom to enjoy the activities you love. Track your progress by noting how easy it feels to stand up or walk up a few steps after a few weeks. Celebrate those small wins because they add up to big changes in your daily life. These 5 exercises require no special equipment and take less than 15 minutes to complete. You can do them while watching your favorite show or listening to music, making the habit easy to stick with. Remember, leg weakness often shows up first because we use our legs constantly, yet often neglect targeted strengthening as we age. Addressing it now helps you stay active and independent longer. To discover even more practical, easy-to-follow ways to keep your body strong, mobile, and full of energy in your senior years, think about joining the Prime Health program. It provides simple daily guidance tailored for seniors who want to maintain their vitality and enjoy life with greater confidence and ease. Start these 5 exercises today. Your legs will thank you tomorrow, and your future self will be grateful for the strength and freedom you protect.